Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have 3 different updates for today. So we'll discuss about all these 3 companies. The first company, it is Goldman Sachs, and the second thing is the QuEST Global, and the third is the Accenture. So we'll discuss the eligibility criteria, then the hiring details, as well as the application form for the same. And happy Ugadi to all. So the first company for today, it is Goldman Sachs. So the role they are hiring, it is for the full stack developer, and the experience, so it is for the entry level, that is freshers are eligible to apply, and the work location for this, it is Bangalore. So coming to the eligibility criteria for this, so the bachelor's degree in either computer science, information technology, or the related fields, they are eligible to apply. And experience, as mentioned, the freshers, they are highly encouraged to apply for this particular role. So coming to the technical qualifications, so you need to be strong in either Java, JavaScript, and the Spring Boot, and familiarity with the microservices architecture and the API REST API development, and also experience with the cloud platforms, that is AWS they have mentioned, and front end side you should have experience with either React or the Angular. So these are the tech stack which is needed to apply for this Goldman Sachs. So coming to the application details for this, so this particular hiring, it is through Foundit. So make sure you have the account with the Foundit, or else you can register for this, and you can just click on apply now. So as your profile will be created, it will be automatically applied for this role. So here you can go to the job description, and also they have mentioned like exact skills, the key skills, around 13 preferred skills are mentioned. So you can go to this, and you can apply accordingly. So these are the details of the first company, that is Goldman Sachs. And coming to the second company, that is QuEST Global. So QuEST Global is also looking for the associate engineer, and particularly they have mentioned for the AI. So AI engineer for the entry level, and location for this, it is Kerala, that is Thiruvananthapuram, and experience is freshers. So coming to the eligibility criteria for this, so you must have pursued BU or BTech in computer science, information technology, and artificial intelligence. And coming to the tech stack, so as mentioned, they are looking for the AI engineer for the entry level. So you should have basic understanding of the LLMs, large language models, and the generative AI workflows, and familiarity with the prompt engineering concepts and various AI models. And also they have mentioned you should have some practical knowledge of vector databases and the RAG framework. And so these are the main skills which are needed to apply for this role, that is QuEST Global. And this is the application for the same, and this is the job ID, so P116779. So you can also ask for the referral. So here you can see there are different ways to apply. You can apply with LinkedIn, or you can apply manually. And so for this, first you are supposed to fill the personal details, then comes the experience. So you can add the experience details, the job title, and the current company details. And then this is for freshers, so you can add the internship details, whatever you have done, and you can add the education, the highest qualification, and that's it. You can just submit the application form. So these are the details of the second company, that is QuEST Global. And coming to the third thing, that is the Accenture. So Accenture is also looking for the full stack engineer, and the location for this, it is Bangalore, and this role, it is for the experienced graduates. So the eligibility criteria for this, either B or BTech graduates, and experience level, so minimum 2 to 5 years of experience is needed to apply for this role. So coming to the technical skills, so you need to be proficient with the Java full stack development, and also front end technologies like HTML, CSS, and the JavaScript, and the backend frameworks like Spring and Spring Boot is needed, and the database skills SQL and NoSQL, and the version control systems, that is Git, is needed. So these are the overall technical skills which are needed to apply for the Accenture. So here you can go to the job ID, then the required skills. So they are particularly looking for the Java full stack development. So you can also go to the job description, everything. So here you can check the qualification details, then the locations, Bangalore it is, and you can go to the details. And in order to apply for this Accenture, you are supposed to create an account. So you can first create the account, then you can directly sign in and you can start your application. So these are the details of the third company, that is Accenture. So these are the 3 updates for today, that is Goldman Sachs, QuEST Global, and the Accenture. So the link for all of these 3 companies, so it will be provided in the description, so you can apply for this. So try to apply, like you can apply immediately. The link might expire anytime, so you can go to the job description and you can apply for this. So these are the details for today, and watch the video completely and do like the video. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.